Next topic, that is the construction of similar triangles. Friends, we are going to study how we can construct the similar triangles. For this, we are taking an example, triangle ABC, similar triangle LMN. Friends, in this example, the lengths of sides of triangle ABC are given and the ratio of BC is to MN, that is given, that is 5 is to 4. Okay? In the triangle ABC, AB is 5.5 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter and CA is 4.5 centimeter. Construct triangle ABC and triangle LMN such that BC upon MN is 5 is to 4. Okay friends? So, triangle ABC, similar triangle LMN, this is our given. Okay? This is our given. Triangle ABC, similar triangle LMN is given. Friends, we know that if the two triangles are similar, then their sides are in proportion. Okay? So, AB of the first triangle divided by LM equals to BC upon MN equals to AC upon LN, and this ratio means BC upon MN, that is given as 5 upon 4. The reason is corresponding sides of similar triangle. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Friends, the length of AB, BC and AC are given. So by taking the lengths of AB, BC and AC, we have to find line LM, MN and LN. So we take the first AB upon LM equals to 5 upon 4. Okay? So if AB equals to, that is 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 divided by LM equals to 5 upon 4. Take cross multiplication. LM equals to 5.5 into 4 divided by 5. So what happened? 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Point. 5 ones are 5. Means LM equals to 1.1 into 4 equals to 4.4 centimeter. The length of LM is 4.4 centimeter. Similarly, by taking the another ratio, BC upon MN equals to 5 by 4. The length of BC is given here, that is 6 centimeter. Means what happened? 6 upon MN equals to 5 by 4. By taking cross multiplication again, MN equals to 6 into 4 divided by 5. That is equals to 24 upon 5. MN equals to 5 4s are 20. 4 remains. Taking 0, 80. 5 8s are 40. Means 4.8 centimeter. MN is 4.8 centimeter. LM is 4.4 centimeter. Now, take the another and remaining one. That is AC upon LN. AC upon LN equals to 5 by 4. But the length of AC is given as 4.5. 4.5 divided by LN equals to 5 by 4. Again, taking the cross multiplication, LN equals to 4.5 into 4 divided by 5. We know that 5 ones are 0.5 nines are 45. Means Ln equals to 0.9 into 4. Ln equals to 9 4 ja 36 means 3.6 centimeter. 3.6 centimeter. In this way, we got the length of the remaining triangle, that is L, M, N. Okay. Now, the next point is draw the rough figure. Rough figure. For the rough figure, friends, we have to draw randomly the given two triangles and give the names to them. Suppose this is our triangle A, B, C, and this is another smaller triangle, that is L, M, N. Okay, friends, and write the given. AB is given as 5.5 centimeter. BC is 6 centimeter, and AC is 4.5 centimeter. Similarly, LM is 4.4 centimeter. MN is 4.8 centimeter, and LN is 3.6 centimeter. Okay, this is our rough figure. Both the triangles are drawn separately. Now, for actual construction, friends, by taking the actual measurements, we construct the given triangles. Now, for constructing triangle ABC, take the base of the given length. Length of the base BC is 6 centimeter. So, take the BC as a base of length 6 centimeter. Okay. This is our BC of the length 6 centimeter. Okay, friends. Now, the distance of A from B is 5.5 centimeter. So, friends, in this compass, we take the distance 5.5. Take 5.5 distance from the B. Okay, from B, the distance of A is 5.5. So, make the arc, draw a cap from B at 5.5 centimeter. Now, the distance of A from C is 4.5. Now, we take the distance 4.5. By taking the 4.5 distance, make the chap like this. In this way, these two arcs are intersecting to each other at this point, and this point is nothing but the point A. Now, join point BA and AC with the help of scale. Okay, this is another AC. In this way, friend, our triangle ABC is completed. The distance of AB is 5.5 centimeter. Distance or length of AC is 4.5 centimeter. This is our first triangle. Now, by similar steps, we construct the triangle LMN. The base of this LMN is MN of the length 4.8. So, draw the MN of the length 4.8 centimeter. Okay. This is our MN of the length 4.8 centimeter. Now, friends, the distance of L from M is 4.4. Now, take the length distance 4.4 in the compass. 4.4. So, from M, draw the arc. The distance of L is 3.6 from N. Take the 3.6 distance. This is the 3.6 distance now. Draw this another arc. These two arcs are intersect each other. This point is nothing but the point L. With the help of scale, join LM. LM. This is our required triangle LMN. Length of LM is 4.4 centimeter. LN is 3.6 centimeter. In this way, these are our given triangles, that is triangle ABC and the another triangle that is LMN, which is similar to the ABC. Okay friends.